I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the front caster wheels on the Jazzy Ultra Light. If that is a part you need to order, we do ship parts all around the US. Check the link in the description. I will have a link to that and any other parts that you need that we have available for the Jazzy Ultra Light. So when you order the front caster wheel, it's going to come with the wheel and the hub. There's no reason to take the tire off of the hub. They're going to send you the entire assembly. You will want to maintain your screws though. I don't believe they ship the bolts that go through it. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take this off. Now I have the power chair on its side. I find it a lot easier to access the caster wheels that way. I do have it laying on a board right now too, so that way you're not scratching the chair. You don't want to lay it on concrete. Just find somewhere soft like carpet to lay it on. The tools you're going to need is two 4mm Allen wrenches, so one for each side. You have this bolt going through, and then I recommend getting just like a Phillips screwdriver that's long enough to go through. It's just a little tip I'll show you later. You don't necessarily need that though. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold one end of the bolts with your Allen wrench, and then the other side you're going to loosen. It might be a little tight, so you might have to push and you'll hear like a snap. That just means it was, you know, really tight on there. So I'll go ahead and loosen that. So it's one long bolt and then a screw holding it on the other side. So you can see I take the screw out and it's threaded in there. That's the other side of the bolt. So now we can take this other Allen wrench out. So now in order to get this out, this is in there pretty good. What I recommend is kind of get your screwdriver or something you can just kind of push in there. And now I can kind of push that bolt out a little bit. And now that it's out, I can go ahead and pull it all away. Now there are, I don't know if you can see them on the camera, two plastic washers on each side of the tire. So you want to make sure to catch those. You will want to retain those. Or at least watch where they're going. But here they are. Then we have our tire. Now, when it comes to replacing the tire, there's two ways to do this. You can do it the exact way we took it out. Try to feed your bolt through one of the washers, line up your tire, try to line up the other washer. Because this is a size and there's a bearing in here that can kind of make it a little tough to get through, this is where a screwdriver comes in. So we're going to actually do the opposite. Just make sure your screwdriver is smaller than the bolt. So we're going to come in on the opposite side like this. Stick one of our washers on the screwdriver, get our tire lined up, and then push it through. Then on the other side, try and lift it up, stick your washer on, and then push your screwdriver all the way through. Good, so this is kind of a stand-in for a bolt. And what we're going to do, you can use the screwdriver to manipulate the bearing that's in the wheel, so that way it's a lot easier to get this through. We're just going to push this through and let them kind of replace each other. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. You should see. There we go. So I got this pushed all the way through. We have our thread right there. I'm going to go ahead and hand thread this now. And then we will get our two 4mm Allen wrenches and go ahead and tighten this back. There we go. It's nice and tight. Make sure the wheel spins good. It's not too tight that it's squeezing it. So the wheel's rolling good. That is how you replace the wheel on the Jazzy Ultra Light power chair. This has been how to replace the front caster wheels on the Jazzy Ultra Light. Once again, I do have the parts in the description below. So I have a full parts breakdown and I have that one specifically linked. So you can check that out if you need it. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Please like and subscribe. It helps out our channel a lot. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.